Implementing an e-learning project to achieve a mastery level in Algebra 1 STAR. The e-learning project proposal will help close the performance gap for the Far San Juan Alamo North High School students on the State of Texas of Academic Readiness, which is also known as the STAR Algebra 1 required for graduation requirements. The Algebra 1 STAR is written to ensure that the students have mastered the skills in Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills. The Texas Education Agency established student scores that define performance level and classify students in their appropriate performance category, which are below grade level, approaches grade level, meets grade level, and master's grade level. The percentage of students achieving a master's grade level is low in the state of Texas. In 2021, the STAR Algebra 1 end of course exam results only showed 3% of the students achieved a mastery level, meaning out of the 101,821 students that tested, only 2,546 students received a mastery level. This e-learning module aims to help PSJ North High School students develop specific skills to increase their scores to achieve a master's performance category. This e-learning will support in generating the proper lesson modules needed to aid the students in developing exponential relationships, linear domain and range, and dividing polynomials. These modules will improve testing performance and will assist learners in achieving a mastery level for Algebra 1 STAR assessment. The National Center for Education Statistics shows 8 steps for implementing this e-learning module. Step number 1 is planning your technology initiatives. Our vision at Far San Juan Alamo North High School is to provide self-paced online modules for students to achieve a mastery level in the State of Texas Assessment of Academic Readiness. Currently, all PSJ North students have a device and hotspots for instructional needs. Student, teachers, administration, and district leaders develop and facilitate student growth and success through technology integration. Step number 2, determine your technology needs. A technology needs assessment survey would be distributed to 11 PSJ North high school teachers that are currently teaching a state-mandated course. Out of those 11 teachers, 9 are Algebra 1 first-time teachers and 2 are retester teachers. The same technology needs assessment survey will be distributed to 6 administrators and 2 district technology leaders. This survey will allow the team to determine what our campus technology needs are. Step number 3, selecting your technology solutions. Currently, we have these technology resources available at PSJ. Each student is provided a school Chromebook. If the student does not have access to internet, there are hotspots available to students and staff. Each classroom has a new line touchscreen and webcams to be used for virtual instruction, and we have a school-wide Wi-Fi and internet access. The following are recommendations for technology solutions, which are step-by-step training videos for students to be able to follow when working on the e-learning modules, step-by-step training videos for teachers to follow along to navigate through the modules, and wireless drawing tablets for Chromebook for students to be able to solve mathematical problems on their Chromebooks. Step number 4, implementing your technology needs. In order for PSJ North High School to implement the learning modules, a group of students will work together as a project committee to develop a schedule and to monitor the progress, to test each module and make the necessary changes. When all the changes have been made, each committee member will complete an evaluation of all the recommendations and changes that were made. Step number 5, safeguarding your technology. PSJ currently has this in place. Each student has signed a contract stating they will pay a fee if something happened to the device. The technology department at PSJ has a fantastic school web filtering system that keeps students safe from accessing some websites. PSJ also installed the software in which the students were not able to download any programs to prevent viruses. To keep students' information safe, the technology department requires students to create a strong password as well as a two-factor authentication for both teachers and students. Step number 6, maintaining and supporting your technology. Before these e-learning modules are up and running, the modules have to be maintained and supported properly. There are 2 different groups that are going to oversee these modules. The first group will oversee the software and the curriculum section. This group will consist of 2 Algebra 1 teachers that will provide maintenance to these models and the necessary changes if needed. The second group will be in charge of maintaining and supporting computer hardware, and this person is designated for the job as a campus technology director. This person is able to log in as an administrator and make the necessary changes. Step number 7, training for your technology. It is important for the Algebra 1 teachers to receive a summer professional development about 3 weeks before the beginning of the school year. Also, we're going to have a once-a-month follow-up training for any necessary changes that might be needed, and we also will have a live discussion board for the teachers to help each other out without the need to wait for a meeting or a training. Step number 8, integrating your technology. As the modules are available online, it is important integrating modules into daily lessons. This will develop a culture that will embrace technology to a successful integration as part of the course. Before the teachers can introduce these learning modules to their students, the teacher must be able to demonstrate effective use of a computer and software, must be able to be comfortable in providing feedback. They need to integrate modules into daily lessons and understand and use all the tools in the modules. As far as the students need to log into the modules at least twice a week. They must watch instructional videos that are provided in each module and complete the assignments and discussions. Collaborate with each other to develop solutions, use the appropriate tools and graphing calculator, and demonstrate an understanding of each topic provided. The National Education Technology Standard for Students states, effective integration of technology is achieved when students are able to select technology tools to help them obtain information in a timely manner, analyze and synthesize the information, and present it professionally. The technology should become an integral part of how a classroom functions, as accessible as all other classroom tools.